I believe in grand experiences, bold moments, and making heads turn.
I believe in the simplicity of life, structure, and intricate and detailed design. Collectively, we believe in balance.
It's that balance that sets us apart from any other staging company out there. I'm Johnathan.
I'm Jon.
Together, we are Jsquared Homestaging and Design, Richmond's national award-winning luxury collective. From concept to creation, our custom designs are energizing, highly focused, and one of a kind. We leave no stone unturned.
As the founders of Jsquared, we truly understand your needs and desires. We are here to hone your vision and build a masterpiece sure to make people stop and notice.
Let us help you sell your home faster than you may have dreamed possible. Ready, set, sold.